Oh, that was a nice big one.
Oh, you should get the big camera. Never mind.
Boom.
Yeah, my cousin Jim, that's a doctor here, almost lost a finger shooting off fireworks at Grandpa's farm when he was here.
Oh, that one gets fired.
Oh, nice.
Here's a big one.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, I like that, especially when they twinkle afterwards like that.
Another big one.
Yep. Uh-oh. That one didn't do anything. Oh, there's two. That one's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Ah, look at that. I like that when they look like they're, chasing all over.
Whoa.
Wow. I thought that one was going to be real low. It looked like it went very high. Whoa, look at those. Man, those look like they're awfully close to the ground.
Yeah.
Yikes. Oh, man, look at this. Wow. Look at them.
Pretty.
They're so low to the ground. Man. Different colors.
They sound like the dying car's engine. Put.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
those.
pretty.
How cool. Oh, wow. That was a big one.
Another one.
Wow. They got that up really high. That was a high one. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Oh, both of those were big.
Was that it? Oh, not quite. Big one. Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh, different.
Green and
A
red.
little one.
Wow. That's so cool.
That one really changed colors.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, well, I
And
like
when
it
they
when
twinkle.
it looks like it, and then it goes, wow.
I'm too high.
Oh, reds.
Well, I remember another 4th of July fireworks that turned out to be a nightmare.
Why?
Darren was 4 years old.
Uh-huh.
I was making homemade pasta. I actually made the flour and everything. I took my rings off because I was working in the flour with the dough and handed them to my stepdaughter to hold. She gave them to Darren. He ended up taking them outside, put them in the back of his big wheel, and went down the road. They fell out. We didn't know it until I got to the fireworks. We went back. We got all the neighbors out with their cars, driving around looking. Couldn't find my wedding rings.
Oh my goodness.
What a nightmare that was.
But did you end up finding
Didn't have them insured the next morning. One of our neighbors was a nurse. She got up early to go to work. She saw something shiny in the gravel in their driveway, and there was the rings.
Oh.
Came over and rang the doorbell. So lucked out.
No.
After that, I had them fused together because they weren't together. They were two separate rings. And I never asked the kids to hold my rings again.
Well, at least he didn't eat it, you know.
No, he was 4
And,
and she was 5. I mean, they weren't,
choking on it.
you know, they were too young, really. I had to stop and go take my stepson to a birthday party, and so there was so much commotion going on that I forgot about the rings.
Oh, that's pretty.
Wow.
That was really pretty.
Oh, look at that. There's a bunch more down low. And, wow. Now they got a bunch more. Now we got some noise.
I wish I'd go higher though.
Yeah.
They're too low.
Yeah, we're not getting a good view of them.
One more big finale.
Da,
Boom.
da, 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 da. Man, I can't tell when they're doing a finale. It seemed like
I
that was
know.
a finale.
You thought that was.
I thought that was before when they did all one of those a whole bunch.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yeah.
Boom.
Look at that little one. Oh, look at him. He's
Oh,
going around.
yeah.
It's like a tadpole. They're shooting off a lot more than I thought they would.
Oh, big
Nice
one.
Another big one. That was high. Red and green. Christmas. Ooh, pretty red one. Gee whiz, how many are you going to shoot off?
That looks like a coconut tree.
Yeah, like a palm tree.
Yeah. Spread out.
Yeah.
Oh, nice green.
Larger.
Yeah.
What's that got to do with it? What's the fire truck got to do with the fireworks?
Catch anything on fire.
Oh,
Wow,
Big
that was
one.
a big spray.
right.
Oh, and there's a fire station not far from there, too.
Oh.
Smell that.
You can smell that.
Oh, that must be the finale.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they really got them going all down low.
Not shooting anything in the sky then.
Huh?
Not shooting anything up then.
Mm-mm. Just all low stuff. Come on, give us one big final boom.
There it is. Oh, not quite.
That's it. I can't tell. I mean, they do things you think will be the finale, and then it's not the
I know.
finale. I want to see the finale. I want to know what they do for the finale.
Oh, they've been shooting for 14 minutes now.
They have been?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Oh, you're recording it.
Uh-huh.
Whoa.
14 minutes now, 15. And we didn't even get to see the beginning.
Yeah,
so-
because we didn't come out there. Oh, that was pretty.